Hey guys, Ethan at Easy Auto Spa here in Athens. We've got a really cool, unique, one-of-a-kind car here right now, a Fisker Ocean. And today we're doing some window tint. The customer wanted to get all over window tint with the evolved film, so he wants to get the maximum heat rejection. So we're doing the sides, we're doing the back, we're doing the windshield, full windshield as well. The only thing we're not doing is the sunroof. Really cool thing about the sunroof, it actually has a solar panel on the top of it, so it absorbs sun and solar energy and recreates it into, put it in the battery for electricity. So one really cool thing about this vehicle, all the glass on this vehicle is movable except for the windshield. The back glass lets up and down, the side quarter glasses let up and down. The sunroof is huge and it comes way back, it's a very huge panel, but it also has the solar panel on the top of it. But yeah, doing an all-over windshield, all-over window tint on this to really get that maximum heat rejection, give them a little bit more privacy, some skin protection as well, and I think it's going to turn out really good. Let's check it out.